It's actually the same beach. Like, it's massive. Right now, in the good times and the bad, you are on your phone, you are not alone. Hey. Anyway, let me stop this before I get copyrighted. Hello, hi, welcome to a new vlog. If this is a new vlog, I'm not sure if it's a new vlog, but welcome, hi. It's like 12 p.m. I'm dressed and ready. Like my outfit, I think it's cute. Can you see? It's a yellow skirt and yeah, put on this frontal again. But yeah, I'm going to meet Lucille. Actually, where's my phone? That's a good time to check my phone. I'm going to meet Lucille. We're going to La Bomba Beach. She's on her way now. She shared her journey with me. That means she's on her way and to get into an Uber. It's not far from me though. She's coming from far, so I've got a little bit of time. Going to the beach. We're going to go swim later. It's Wednesday. This friend service I want to go to. So she doesn't know that yet, but we're going to go to church. That's what's going on right now. This is a new vlog. Let's go. Let's get it. In the Uber. So I'm not speaking to you. I'm speaking to the camera. No, I'm speaking to the camera, not to you. I'm in the Uber and we're going to the beach to meet Lucille. I'm so hungry. Should have ate before I left, but I didn't eat. Oh.
This motor riders.
Forgive. Thank you. I'll pull it up. He warned me that someone can snatch my camera out of the window. Forgive. Oh, this looks like a postcard. Look, come in the.
Oh yeah, this is for children's vlog.
Oh, you're new.
In case you're hiding somebody, you're hiding from someone. This is not the place.
This isn't the place.
Is it recorded?
Yes, please.
Oh hi.
But look how beautiful Ghana can be.
Yes, not happy.
Okay, let's take a picture. So we're crossing over from La Bomba Beach to La Bardi Beach, but there's this water between that we have to cross over, and I think I'll just Moses, Jesus Lord, part the Red Seas. But so we're currently crossing. I made it onto the Bardi. Thank you, Jesus. What did you want?
Oh, sorry, I don't understand. We've already paid.
No, this is the big. These are different places.
What did he say?
So we have to pay a gate fee because we crossed from one beach to the other.
It's actually the same beach. This is Ghana for you. They do anything to make money. Anything. Look at the state of this beach. Instead of them to clean the beach, you want 5 cedis. What's the difference? Is the sand different or is the water different? No. Okay, when you bring the ticket, there's 10 cedis.
She's bringing her money.
Yeah, no, there's 10 cedis there, so that's for them. I am going to pay. Where's the ticket, please? Thank you. Been recording, guys. I done a whole intro and I didn't record. Anyways, we're at the Bardi Beach Hotel.
They've written something in the small print of that.
Looking at the menu, and I don't think we're gonna eat here. Lucille is just there. Hey, Lucille. And then Georgina's just there. Honestly, I must say, service in Ghana, so there's some way in the restaurants. She asked for a drink order before you had a menu. How much was that? Yeah, 100 and see, I withdrew 150 cedis, but 163 went because they charged 13 cedis. Yeah, but it's well. I mean, 13 cedis is what? A couple pennies. It's fine. Jesus is my provider, so he'll provide another 13 in Jesus' name. Anyways, guys, see, vlogging life is not easy because you have to vlog everything. What's my way having no footage?
Sorry, we're not staying. We have to go and see somebody. We're not staying, so we have to leave. So you don't want you to serve the bread, yeah. Waste your time. Thank you.
Is the bread free?
It's not for you. Me, I don't want bread.
If the bread was free, I'd take the bread.
Before the bread comes out and then I pay 5 cities per month. I don't like
Let's
what
get
I
out.
did. That's the only thing that's remaining now for her to have. When you know she's a PA.
I love it. Alvaro, you need to pay me. For all the promo I've given me, you need to pay me, okay? We're back on the beach, ordered some food, thank God. But this is good, I'm about another one. But it's 6 city, I could buy 2.
This girl is going to wash her face with Alvaro if you leave her. She's going to bath in it.
I love it. It's amazing.
Oh, they should start exporting to London, seriously.
Oh, I tell you. My suitcase, I'm packing it.
But there was a time they used to have Alvaro. So instead of Bay take, so in Ghana, instead of Bay taking you to Uhuru Park, this is taking you to Labadi Beach.
Yeah. Pay 5 CDs, then
5 CDs, this is where Bay will bring you and he doesn't have money, Jesus.
We have a parking penny, it's called Do you think these people that sell things have to pay 5 cedis to enter?
No. no. Look at somebody, look at your enjoyment.
Them they so for me. Every day them they envy me. Just be say I dey get plenty. You know be me, be the Almighty. Hey, help me, oh Jehovah. Plenty people they envy me.
What on earth? Wait, is there but look at the horses. What on earth is going on? What is going on this beach? Oh my gosh. Oh no. We're watching, sir, we're watching. Oh. Yeah, I stopped it before it started getting a bit, yeah. Stop. Oh my gosh. This man is eating glass. I cannot. He's chewing the glass now. Oh my gosh, why is he swallowing it?
It's not real. It's not real.
I forgot to, I didn't forget I was in the middle of eating when I remembered, so our food came. It's now finished. She had, rice and fried rice and chicken. Me and Georgina both had plantain and chicken, and it was sweet. And the best, I don't know, but the best drink ever to grace my tongue, Alvaro. I've had it in passion fruit, pear, and now pineapple. Passion fruit is still the best, but pineapple's good.
I like pineapple.
Pineapple's good, really. It's nothing about passion fruit. It's just like passion fruit is sweet, and then pear is.
It's alright.
It's alright. It's nothing to rave about. Yeah. It's not as like the other ones are really sweet, but pear is just it's a bit watery. But yeah. Woo. I think our next stop's gonna be Mövenpick, innit?
What time is it?
It's 3:29.
Let's give us like 15,
Yeah.
20 minutes to just
We've got time, man.
calibrate.
We've got time. Then we go to Movenpick to swim, and I don't know how I'm gonna swim with this hair. My face can't get wet. This is the frontal. Once it's off, baby.
Are you serious? So what's the swimming that you're swimming
Up to my neck.
Not swimming then.
Are you expecting to do length for the pool, back and forth?
What you're doing is wading.
No, are you expecting to do length in the pool, back and forth?
Of course.
There can be other people in the pool. We're not gonna have space.
Don't worry about me.
We'll see how that one goes.
She's going to swim up to the neck.
Yeah.
Is that swimming? Swimming or standing on water?
No, but I can't. It's the frontal.
Now why did you come and wear a front?
I've actually got my shower cap, so maybe I can make something
It's
work.
up to you, babes.
I've got my shower cap, so we'll see. But yeah. Ah, the flies gone. No, please, thank you.
We're too full for your horse to
You know what I mean? Still recording, but I just took a picture.
I sing the food, baby.
Food, baby.
So do you send that to your YouTube?
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel.
Those followers are very, very lucky. She gets very intimate with her subscribers.
I do. They see a lot on vlogs.
But if you want to see more, subscribe to our Patreon.
What?
You never heard of Patreon?
No.
Oh, it's this thing where people like pay to
I
see
pay
extra-
to. Oh yeah. Do you know what? I
to
might.
support.
If you see a link in the description, just click on it. You'll see more. You'll see things. Which is just with me at church. Oh, but it's still things.
This video has been sponsored by Vienna City. Thank you to our sponsors.
Made it to Mövenpick. This place is beautiful. This is the only time I'm gonna get to show you guys, because after that I'm going in the pool and ain't no bikini pics on the YouTube, mate. No, not doing that, mate. No. But it's beautiful. Mövenpick is just, look how huge the pool is. Like, it's massive. The pool is actually massive. Yes. Oh, the water's cold. Oh my gosh. But it's fine because it's well. But yes, they're probably taking pictures of the pool, but I'll do that afterwards. But yeah, got our towels. They provided towels, which is, it was 50 cities to come and just swim, because we don't obviously have a room here, which isn't much at all, because what's 50 cities? It's not much. It was much to Ghanaians, but in pounds it's less than 10, so as well. Where are they? Over there. But yeah, this is it. There's gonna be no swimming footage. If I get swimming footage, it will just be for my own personal memories, but it's not gonna go on the tube. I'm not doing that. Where are these guys? No, I'm still taking pictures. They're over there. And it's going into the changing rooms now to get changed, and we go and swim. See, the thing is, I have that dilemma with my wig. I don't know if I'm gonna get it wet. This is the frontal, which means I have to take it off, which means when I'm gonna go for centre service, I'm gonna have to go home before centre service. Anyways, I'll just figure it out. Hello, hi, we swam. I had to take off my wig and take out my hair again. Lisa's screaming. I don't know, I'm saying talk about that. Anyways, off to church. This is the end of this video because I'm not taking my camera with me, so that's the end of the vlog for today.
Bye.
So bye. Bye. So bye. Bye. Okay, so that wasn't the end of this video. I just had to document this moment. So I went to certain service, was going to go to the one at the First Love Centre, ended up going to the one in Legon on the campus of University of Ghana campus. I got to go to University of Ghana, which was beautiful, very, very nice. I'm going to include some of my clips that I got for like Instagram and stuff on here somewhere. Yeah, the service blew my mind away. God, and the way that he uses his servants is beyond like mind blown, like literally mind blown. This morning I had my quiet time and it was lovely, fantastic. I obviously thought I finished, but I didn't finish because what the Pastor Kent, who preached at the Legon campus, preached, he finished my quiet time. It was as if like God spoke and told me what I was meant to receive from it. Like what I received this morning, what I understood was like, okay, this is a part of it, but this is it. And I was just mind blown. Like it was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It was just fantastic. So I just got home. I actually got home much sooner than I thought I would. It's 11:24, but I got home like 12 minutes ago. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed my Ghana vlog so far. So loads more to come, because it's only Wednesday. I've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday I'm going to a wedding, so I don't know how much of that I'm going to vlog. Sunday, church again, not really much vlogging. Monday I might vlog, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I'm at camp, and then Saturday's Lucille's wedding, and then Sunday's church, and then back to the UK. So I've still got loads of days and a lot of things to happen. But today's service really got me excited for camp because God is just fantastic and God speaks like, anyways, I'm smiling because I'm just, anyways, good night guys.